Holi! In today's video, we are going to journal and put together these colorful pages you are seeing. I hope they inspire you with ideas for your own journaling session. On these pages, I am answering gratitude prompts. I find them to be helpful in grounding me and refocusing my goals. The prompts are about transformation, and so I found this ephemera kit to be perfect for that topic. METAMORFOSIS ephemera kit was introduced in its entirety in my previous video. Here you're seeing some of the pieces used in this journaling session. Lots of butterflies and nostalgic photographs that symbolize growth and new beginnings. This is a 3D butterfly bookmark that we created together in my previous video, which I will leave linked below. Now let's get started with our journaling session. I am tipping in this faux vintage page that I painted. In my Instagram, I uploaded a quick tutorial. I will leave it linked below. Before adhering the page, let's journal on it. The first prompt is about transformation. What recent change in your life are you grateful for, and how has it contributed to your personal growth? Here I am stamping the word metamorfosis, which is metamorphosis in Spanish, like the caterpillar that transforms into a butterfly during its metamorphosis stage. We also evolve certain characteristics that bring out the best in us. I wrote down the lyrics to a song that reminds me change is important to stay true to ourselves. That part of living the experience of being alive is accepting changes with love and gratitude. I wanted the lyrics to peek out of these beautiful collaged photographs that are so nostalgic yet symbolize growth. I added some sticky photo corners and this beautiful blue washi by Lace Boutique 1 on Etsy that is the perfect pop of color for this collage. These gratitude prompts are a weekly challenge in the AZUL Facebook group for the month of May. You can join through the link below and participate by posting your pictures. It's an active group that shares colorful journaling for fun and inspiration. Here I collaged this beautiful printable with a delicate pink fabric, a white butterfly button, and a pink button that I sewed on. On the opposite corner, I glued this cute floral trim that was gifted to me by Koi in one of our group swaps. Thank you so much, Koi. I'm so happy I found the perfect home for this beautiful floral trim. And to finish this spread, I am adding the cutest pressed floral stickers to adorn these Polaroids. I later added some gem stickers as well, but I did miss to film that. I thought of adding this pink envelope, but it felt like a little bit too much, so I set it aside for now. Next, I am tipping the page in by adhering it to the smaller page with double-sided tape. I am leaving one side open so it can be a functional pocket, where I will maybe be adding that envelope that we set aside. I love this pocket because of the rustic kitchen image. It is just so pretty. And we are going to reinforce the other side of the page with some masking tape. For the final prompt about reinvention, I am continuing with the butterfly theme. This time, instead of writing out my response, I decided to answer the prompt with a collage. You don't always have to write tons. You can always let your emotions and imagination speak for you when words can't. So I have magazine and vintage book page cutouts to decorate this page. I transformed this book page into a simple pocket. No folding necessary for this simple pocket. I simply placed some glue on the bottom, right and left edges and left the top unglued, and then I decorated it with this floral sticker. On the following journal spread, I trimmed down a page from a recipe book that has cute floral doodles. I am using it as a background to my photograph to give it more dimension. I wanted to draw a thick line over my eyes, but it continued to fade out, so I put a strip of washi tape instead, and it's the perfect design since it goes with the stripes in my background. Covering my eyes symbolizes me focusing on the present and the future. When covering your eyes, you heighten other senses in your body, which can help you think of new and clever ways to experience your present and reflect on your next moves. This is what I try to convey when thinking of the steps I have taken to reinvent certain aspects in my life. I added this 3D butterfly pop-up that I showed you how to create in my previous tutorial. I glued it in the center so that when you open this page, it's a cute little surprise of flapping wings reminding you of personal growth. I also covered her eyes with a strip of washi tape. And next, I added this butterfly journaling card that flips open, and in it I am writing the prompt. What aspect of yourself are you most grateful for having the courage to change or evolve? I tucked in this butterfly journaling card, and I love how the wings peek out from inside the pocket. Here, I'm doing very short bullet point journaling to answer the prompt, and adding some final touches like gem stickers, and I went a little crazy with them, you'll see. First, I added them as if they were the bullet points of my list, and then I quickly ended up sticking them all over both pages, and it does look very cute and colorful, but it was crazy. I also added this super overexposed picture of me, which is fine. I thought it went well with the prompt of reinvention. It almost looks like the picture is still developing, and I loved that idea for this prompt. Finally, I added my butterfly bookmark to this page, and that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me in this journal with me session. Writing in my decorative journal comforts me and takes me to a more grounded place, and now I feel calmer. I hope the Metamorfosis ephemera kit inspires your journaling this long weekend. Download it on my Etsy shop, which is linked below. Until next time, bye.